installed himself. It's actually a light for a bathroom vanity. He wired it and everything. As you can see, the trim goes behind our bed and all the way down to the plug socket. The wood for the vanity was basically just plywood, but he measured the space in between the bed and the wall. We went to Home Depot and we bought the wood. And this was a project, honey. My husband knew I wanted a space of my own, and I was so tired of not being able to feel girly. I was doing my makeup on the floor in our room with my little light right there, or I would do my makeup on the kitchen table. I didn't really have a nice girly space of my own to do makeup. So my honey, he felt my pain and we came up with this. He sawed it. I think he used wood glue and some nail it in place. And then as soon as he got done with building the box, I had ordered some of this marble paper from Amazon because I wanted the glossy, and I covered it. I had never ever wrapped anything before in my life, so I didn't do the best of a wrapping job. My husband kind of laughed at me because he felt like he could have done it better, but he also wanted me to feel like I was a part of the project. And I don't like taking orders from anyone, so I did it the best way I could, and I think it turned out great. I took my box into a glass place, and because I knew that the marble finish could get scraped and stuff, and I didn't want it to get scraped. So I took it into the glass company. They measured it and they cut me this glass. They made sure it was going to be not sharp on the ends, and they knew that it was going to be for a vanity top. They cut the glass perfectly for my vanity, and then they gave me these little circular things. I don't know if you guys can see them because I have my mirror here. Let me turn it off. They gave me these little circular things. I don't know if you can see that. One's right there, and they're like little grips. They gave me them to go all over my vanity so that the glass wouldn't slide. They were really nice, you guys. This is what we did. We did this over a year ago. Like I said, I have been wanting to share it with you all. If you don't have a place to do your makeup in your house, put your nightstand in another room or something, like I did. I took my nightstand and put it in Malachi's room, and I replaced it with a vanity just so I could have my own private space to do makeup, and I love it. I feel girly. is helpful for you all. If you have a small space in your home, take advantage of it. You don't have a place to do makeup, you can always use the side of your bed where you would normally have your nightstand. And I just took my nightstand out of here and put it in Malachi's room, and I have a vanity area. The mirror we used was basically like a bathroom mirror. The lighting we used was a bathroom lighting. My husband is so awesome, y'all. He's genius. He knew what I wanted. I told him what I wanted. We went to Home Depot. We looked around, and he helped me so much. He did all the measurements to make sure everything was gonna fit intact. And it was a date day. We just went out. It was him and I, and it was early in the morning, and it was a Saturday. And we just went out on a date and picked out my little things for my stool. I'm sorry, you guys, I don't think I discussed the stool. We went to like an old time consignment store. They have antiques, and I love going to those type of stores. I think I have a video, one of my videos I did in one showing a lot of the old antique furniture, dishes and things like that. I love that kind of stuff. But back to my stool. That's where we ended up getting my stool. It was a leather pink stool. So I ended up covering it. It had a little button on it. You know, the seat had a button on it. So I just took like a little rubber band and I twisted it around the button so you can see the button. Because I like the button. That was a cute little enhancement of the seat. I didn't want to lose that. But yeah, it was just a leather pink seat. And I covered it with black fabric so that it goes with my theme. My bedroom is pretty much gray and black. I have the marble and black on my vanity. So the pink seat just didn't go with my bedroom. So I wanted the black seat. I might eventually swap this out for like a fur, like a black fur. Cause yeah, I don't know what it is about me. I'm just so gaudy. I like the furs and I like the bling, man. So yeah, this is my creation. I will link below where I got the idea of the vanity, because I did get on YouTube and look up small vanities, and this lady created one, but she ended up ordering hers. She didn't even create it from scratch like we did. She ordered hers, it came in a box, and she just assembled it. We put in the work. My husband did the measurements, and we went and cut the wood. We got the wood, plywood. We cut the plywood down, and if I'm not mistaken, did we spray paint it? I don't think we did. I don't think we spray painted it. Did we spray paint it? I'm not sure if we spray painted the wood or not. I think we did, and then we covered it with the marble. And I just love the way it turned out, you all. I'm gonna post some pictures of it because I really don't think that my video showed enough of the beauty of the vanity itself. So I will post some pictures of it as well. And I hope you all liked my video. Until next time, do you and do what makes you happy. Stay safe out there, you guys. Talk to you later. Bye, friends.